What's up, YouTube? It's your boy GT back with another banger. So today's video, man, we got the ZZL1 right here. Man, it's the LT, you know. Got this Chevrolet truck, Texas edition. It's like a fire though, man. It's like a fire. Let's give you a walk around right quick. It's like a fire. Yeah, I love the color on it. But yeah, so what we doing today is we're doing the star roof. I had to do the star roof. So what I did, my camera was on the charger, so I couldn't really record it. But basically, took a little minor stuff off, like the little thing right here for the visor, and like the little visor, the lights that go right there, the center console thing right here, like go to the top. I took all that out, so then I just dropped the headliner. Now I'm just taking all these little wires and stuff off. They be hot glue. The wires be on it, like it be on top of the roof. Hot glue. That's really about it. And then, like you see, you just pull it up. Pull it up. It's not gonna hurt the wires, and then just pull it straight up. Just like this. I'll just pull it up, and then once this all good, it do that. It's going to do that because it's the hot glue gun on top of it, and you go pull it up, so it ain't gonna hurt it. So what you do is just take it, throw that stuff apart, throw that stuff just like that. All this is insulation on top of it. Really nothing. It will get you like itchy. I ain't even gonna lie, that stuff get you itchy. But yeah, so now what I gotta do is that headliner gotta come out one of these doors, whatever bigger. I'm gonna go through the back. I'm gonna go through the back on that side. So yeah, so all this is ready to come out. So now I'm gonna just go through that back door right there. Gotta fold it and stuff, and you'll come through that back door. It ain't gonna hurt it. Just make sure you don't bend it too much. But yeah, let's get it. It could take a little minute, but me just being one person, it's gonna take a little minute. So I'm gonna put y'all down, set y'all up, and let's get it, man. Alright, YouTube, that was a pain in the ass to get this bro, ain't no way. I started, let me see what time it is. It's 7 o'clock. Yeah, it's 7 o'clock. So I gotta hurry up and get my head done right quick. But got an appointment to get this head done at like 8 o'clock. Took the hairline out, and now we good to go. I'm gonna leave it just like this for now. So I put the hairliner back in, and then all these wires, it's gonna be all good. Like the wires right here, that's all good. It just sit up there just for like the lights and the different things on it, like for the dome lights. They got little speakers. You see the little speaker right there, and right there come on. They got a little speaker that go on top of it. So, and they got this. It was easy to take out, but now I just gotta clean off the resin, all this stuff right here. Me getting this stuff out, that's all. So now I might just go get my little spray that I put, spray it down, and then call it a day. Yeah, man, that's how you take a hairline out. You really just gotta fold it. Once you fold it, once you fold the headliner, nothing gonna happen to it. Like, look, I folded it in the middle. You can't even see it. Look, can't even see nothing. You see what I'm saying? I folded it in the middle, folded on the edge, and the headliner perfect. Look, None. Can't see no creases, no none on it. So it's still good, everything good. No cracks. You really just fold it and then it's gonna pop back in place. Maybe it look like it about to rip or something, but it's not. But yeah, that's how you take this headliner out. So now I'm gonna do the starlights on her. Just like the headliner is so big on it. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all when I put the starlights in tonight. Let's get it, man.
This is not how I remember it. Yeah, well, Elmo stopped being cool around 10. So, what have you been up to the past 8 or so years? Not much. Obviously. A loser. Okay.
What's up, YouTube? Today, I literally just got up, about to go do these contracts I got these caravans and stuff. And that boy got I think 10 vans, and what I do, I just service them, make sure everything good, check them out for them and stuff. So today we got 2 oil changes on 2 vans. Well, 3 oil changes on 3 vans. Yeah, we got 3 oil changes on 3 vans, and 1 van got an alternator and a belt and the oil change. So that's all in one. So yeah, we about to go over there right quick. I think it's Kenna or something. Metairie. It's in Metairie, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm about to go over there right now. About to go do all this, and then we're gonna get back to the starlights, because I was like, I'm gonna knock these out first and then we'll get back to the starlights, and then after that go do something today. I'm off today. So it's been a long one. I had to pull out the whole radiator just to get the alternator right here, just to get this. Had to pull it out. I'll take the alternator out right quick. Alright, that's the new one. I'll put that one back in. Alright, YouTube. Man, I just got back in the truck. Man, look at this. I'm dirty. But yeah, I'm going home right now. About to go do these starlights now. This is my life. This is my life every day. Like, mind you, I work on a boat. Do YouTube. Got the mobile mechanic going on. Got the contracts going on. You know, I'm just trying to get it. Just trying to get the best out. I'm good with my hands on. I love record. So I had to show y'all. I'm like, man, I gotta get back motivated. Do this YouTube stuff like crazy, you know. So yeah, right now I'm going home. I finished the trucks. I did both of the oil changes. My camera went dead, so couldn't record it. But yeah, right now I'm going home. About to go take a shower and stuff, because I can't touch the roof, the headliner with my dirty hands and stuff. So I might just go take a shower, nice little shower right quick. I'm sweaty and stuff. But yeah, I did the alternator. So what I had to do is take the fan off, and they wanted me to. I seen this video on YouTube, and dude took the AC compressor off, but I was not gonna do all that. So I seen that I could take the fan off, and it got like 2 clamps, and I just pulled the fan right up, and then I slide the alternator right up where the fan's supposed to go at, and then it was easy, game over right there. So I did that, and now I'm about to go take a shower and finish these starlights and put it in this truck and have them pick it up
probably pick it up tonight. Yeah, definitely go pick it up tonight because I'm on a grind on it. They gonna take a little time, but yeah, I'm gonna finish doing that, and then put the shooting stars through there, and then yeah, we gonna put the headliner back on the truck. Call it a day, man. Yeah, that's probably all I'm doing today. You know, just a little vlog, daily little vlog with a red. You feel me? But yeah, I gotta go. I'm gonna start recording some more. I'm gonna go to a car meet. Y'all just stay tuned, man. It's gonna be lit.